Welcome to RecurPost. In this quick video tutorial, let's walk through how we can connect and schedule to your Facebook profile using RecurPost. To connect your Facebook profile, select Social Profiles from the left-hand menu, and then click on the Connect Profiles button. Here, click on the Facebook icon, and then select Profile. If you're not already logged in to a Facebook account, you shall first be prompted to enter the credentials of the Facebook account. Once you do that, you shall be asked to continue. Once you click on the continue button, your Facebook profile will get added to your RecurPost account. Next, you can start scheduling by first uploading a post. You can upload a post either using the Share a Post option or from the libraries. Please note that due to limitations from Meta, you can no longer automate content or automate posting to Facebook profiles using third-party tools. However, using RecurPost, you can still schedule and post content to your Facebook profile via the push notification method. To upload content, click on Share a Post, select Create a Post manually, and then select the Facebook profile. Enter the caption, and then upload a media, either an image or video. If there's a first comment, you may also include a first comment. Once the post is ready, you may either click on the Post Now button or schedule it for a later date and time. At the time of posting, you shall receive a push notification on your cell phone, and from there, you can proceed towards posting this to your Facebook profile. At the time of posting, you shall receive a notification on your cell phone. To proceed to posting on your Facebook profile, tap on that notification, and this will direct you first to the RecurPost mobile application. Here, the multimedia file will get saved to your phone's gallery. Next, copy the caption by pressing on or tapping on the copy button. Next, tap on the Open Facebook button. This will take you to your Facebook application. To post to your Facebook profile, go to your profile and then tap on the post creation box. Here, long tap and paste the copied caption. Tap on done and then tap on the gallery icon. You shall find the multimedia for the post already copied to your gallery. Select it, and then to copy the first comment, if you'd like, you can go back and copy the first comment. Come back to Facebook. Complete the process of creating the post. Once done, you can tap on the first comment and paste the copied first comment there. The first comment is now published and your post is now visible on Facebook. I hope this helps. If you have further queries, please feel free to reach out to us on support@recurpost.com. Thank you.